Hi, this is Graham Bibby here on the 1st of May 2013. I'm speaking to you on behalf of instantstockresults.com, and I really had to get this powerful message out to you. You might recall just a number of days ago I was mentioning why stocks would keep rising and why gold and silver had been falling. But I really got an exciting breakout now that I really need to make you aware of. As you can see here on one of my watch windows, I've got banks and financials. I'm just pointing to it on the left of your screen. Before we get into that, I just want to point out this is the Standard & Poor's 500, and as I said, we corrected back here to stop loss points, and I felt that the market was going to move higher, and this is the overall trend going up here, and we've actually moved to a slightly new high. If we actually look at the NASDAQ, it's broken out to a new high. It came back down to those support levels and it's broken to a new high. So it looks really, really exciting. I'll just zip back to the weekly chart. Let's get rid of our friend here. Go back to the weekly chart, and you can see we broke out of this formation. We tested here at this circle back at the end of 2012, and then we're at the top of this trend line, and here we're at the top of the trend line, and we're just breaking above it. So this is really quite positive for the overall stock market. But I just want to get on to the financials and one stock which has done the magic pop. This is MASTERCARD. It was in one of these formations in May 2012 till September. It was getting lower highs and higher lows. There was a competition going on, and when it hit this last circle bottom, then it decided it had enough energy to break above this level, and then we're into the bull market uptrend. It was 450 then, and it's taken it a while to get anywhere decent above the level of say 530, 540. But now on last night's market action, look at this, up a whopping 2.58% overnight, and it's a breakout to the upside. Right down here where my arrow's pointing at the bottom here, it's also now outperforming the Dow Jones 30 index, so that's quite positive. And if we go back here and we look at the weekly chart, you can see this baby has been on a bit of a run. I just want to quickly show you a bit of analysis here. Easy to do. The trend is your friend, and the trend line just really tells you where the support is on the market, and that is the upward trend. Looks fantastic on MasterCard. It was and did start that uptrend. I would say the breakout came at around 220 in 2011, and it's 552 now. That's about 150%. Many of you would have heard me say before, this is the best time to make money from the stock market. You know, this is another baby we've been in for some time. It's Visa. Look at the trend of that one. This guy's gone from being 70 to 168 in less than 2 years. And if we look at the recent price movement, and we've still got this one, recent price movement is up 0.33, it's 168. It broke above this 160 level, tested back, and it looks very positive, but I think MasterCard is going to outperform it. The sector as a whole, if you're looking at the ETFs, exchange traded funds, this is a slightly geared one. This has gone to a new high. This is looking really exciting. The financial sector is looking really exciting, and we have only just started to move. This is 2009, and we broke out here at 71. It's 88. It's on a new move. So if you don't want to buy an individual stock, you could buy ProShares Ultra Financials. It's 88.25 right now, and if we look here where we can potentially be going, well, the first stop's 100. And I wouldn't be surprised at some stage to see us back here, which is at the previous high levels, which is somewhere near 600. Yes, you got it right. It's 88.25 now, and the previous highs were 600. And if I'm right about these cycles, there's no reason to believe that this ProShare Ultra Financials can't find itself back in the same level. So this is Graham Bibby from Stock Market, instantstockmarketresults.com, saying goodbye. And I should get into this stock. We're certainly going to be getting into it, putting a stop loss below, and we'll advise you anytime you should get out. But I think this is the start of a brand new trend.